back to On the Frets, everybody. This is going to be a continuation of our Fadd9 chords, and I'm going to show you the F Fadd9, and don't get nervous, this is a pretty easy one for an F chord. So let's take a look at it real quick. Alright guys, we are going to take our ring finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the D string. You're going to take your middle finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the G string. Your index finger is going to go on the 1st fret of the B string, and then your pinky is going to go right here on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and we're going to play just these 4 strings from the D string down to the high E. And this is your F Fadd9 chord, and like I promised you, this is one of the easier F chords. And so again, your ring finger goes here, 3rd fret D string, middle finger on 2 of the G string, your index goes on 1st fret B string, and then we're going to drop our pinky down here on the 3rd fret of the high E and play 4 strings. Well, there you have your F Fadd9 chord. Like I said, not too hard for an F chord. Some of those can be real tricky, I know. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Please take a minute to subscribe, share this video if you like it, and if you need any info, check the description down below. You know what's coming next. Keep watching, keep practicing, and you will keep getting better. Take care, man.